Hey guys, today I will be reviewing my Super 12-inch desk fan. Here's the front, and here's the side, and here is the back of it. You see vents, oscillator button. Here's one thing about it. The knob. You see, you can tighten it up. And, oh, I forgot about this fan. This particular fan, you have to screw it on tighter. There. And it's up in the proper position now. So, I'll show it running on low first. Here you go. Oh, now I'll put it on oscillate so the computer can see it. You see, running on low. Here's high, I mean medium. This is high. As you can hear, it's quite noisy on high. It's from about 2002. And here's the high. Squeaky, isn't it?